Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to the square root of s. So I need to do first the derivative of this one. We have the u equals to the s over 2 with the square root of s. Because we don't have number 2 in here, so we need to put number 2 go to the left. And this is the technique how to replace the s over the square root of s. This one we change by u. The s over the square root of s we change by 2 du. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that's about the square root of s. This is the end. Thank you for watching.